Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy nappie, and welcome to my channel. On today's episode, you love it. You people have been there saying Africa is full of animals, but today I'm going to show you some different species of animal that me myself have never seen here in Ghana before, and it's going to be my first time, and it's going to be your first time too. You've been living your whole life in Ghana, and I bet you've never seen these ones in your life, or never or touched before. So just come with me, let's go. I'm right here in Accra, Ghana, located in the outskirts of Accra, around Kaswa area. So just come with me, let's do this together. I'm going to show you more, and I hope you're going to love it. So Africa is not just animals, but yes, we have to keep them for you to see with your eyes. So just come with me, let's go. All right, look up. Okay, so is it wild? Okay. Which species is this? Patas, okay. All right. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Right now, I'm inside the place now. I don't know how it's called, but I'm going to look for it from the gentleman we have here. He is in charge here. And guys, it will marvel you that yes, these are some animals that you've never seen for yourself before, and I've never seen it myself before, and it's going to be my first time. It's going to be your first time too. So without much ado, he is here with us, and I just saw a patas here. This is my first time, you know what I mean? It's my first time seeing it. I've lived my whole life in Ghana. I have never seen it before. That's the baby right there. So yeah, just come with me. We have him right here with us, and guys, this is just amazing. We can't do without him because he has saved so many animals here in Ghana, not just Ghana, but Africa as a whole. And I'm going to ask him some few questions, and we're going to take a walk through this place as well. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for having me. My name is Nappie, and I'm from Ghana here, and my friend told me about your place, and I decided to come and see it. And you have a very nice place. Why, like, this place, is it a zoo or is something that you are just keeping for yourself?
It's like I love animals so much.
All right.
So I started bringing them one myself, and then coming to take come like a zoo. People visit, the school children can learn from here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So before we continue, can you give me a little introduction about yourself, who you are?
My name is Foley Adama.
Okay.
Yes, animal lover. I love animals so much.
Yes.
Where I be animal to be and myself, like just like Eden Garden.
Okay.
I have a feeling of being in the Eden Garden.
Yeah.
That's why you see me in the animals. Yeah.
All right. So guys, I know you guys can't wait for us to go around. He has so many varieties of animals, birds and everything here. I'm sure there will be a time you're going to see big and huge elephants and all that's here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for how many years have you started keeping these animals?
I started about 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
I went to Burkina. I saw porcupine.
Okay.
It's the one that I brought first.
Oh.
That's about 7 years now.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about the porcupine.
Yeah.
How did you transport them to Ghana?
If you are not born with it, you can't do it.
Oh.
Or you get a training, you can't do it. So we know a way to handle them. Yeah, we catch them. We have a special cage. We put them inside, and then we bring it. And then as I have them, I get them from Burkina. We need to have lances, wildlife lances, to have all those papers. And then easily I bring them. Yeah.
Wow. So it's not by air, but it's by land.
Yeah.
Wow. And it took you how many hours?
From Burkina to here is about 2 days.
Okay. So can you tell us some animals you have here apart from the porcupine?
when I count them, they are about 30 pieces of different animals.
Okay.
We have crocodile, we have bush cat, different type of bush cats, those from outside, different type of fowls, the monkeys, even you have fish, different type of tortoise also.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So I just can't wait for you to take me
you have
around.
a snake also closer.
Hey, you have a snake.
Yeah.
I think I have to see the snake for the start.
Yeah.
Guys, let's just take a look at the snake for the beginning. Yeah.
This royal python.
So we have royal
Royal
python here.
It
Guys, you
doesn't
can
bite.
see, yeah, it doesn't bite. I know about royal python. It's so strong.
People know about snake.
Yes,
But some
we
of
have
the
different
snake
types
are
of snake.
friendly.
Yes.
Some can harm you. Some are friendly. So like this one, royal python is very, it's harmless.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So how old is the royal python?
Royal python is about 4 years now.
4 years. And how have you been feeding it?
The snake, they have special food, and then we give them mouse, and then they don't eat the animal that is already died.
Okay.
No, you have to give them
Live
life.
one.
They themselves will kill and then swallow.
Wow. Wow. All right. So this is the first animal you've seen here. This is the royal python. It's a snake. And it's my first time even touching a snake here in Ghana. So let's go look at the other animals and different kinds of species. We're going to start with the birds.
Yeah. This friendly hawk.
All right.
His friend.
I think they also feed on rats.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, meat.
Wow. Okay, so I have a friendly hawk on my neck. It's so the paws are so sharp. Now, yeah, very sharp. Like I can feel it behind my back. This is my first time doing this too, so I think it has to come down. Ouch! So guys, it's so friendly. And how old is it?
It's about 2 years now.
2 years old.
I got it for his baby.
Wow. And look, they don't fly?
No, they can fly away and come back.
Wow.
It comes domestic now.
All right, so this is how big it looks, and it's a hawk.
This falcon.
Okay. Wow, we have falcons here. After the whole video, they will take. So, how old are the falcons too?
So after them, we catch them all the time.
Oh, they are around
Have
Ghana.
nest and we catch them.
Oh, okay.
This is my crocodile pond.
Wow.
It's only one that I have.
You have a crocodile. Which species is this?
This it's not alligator. This is pure crocodile.
Oh.
We have alligator.
How old is it?
It's about 4 years.
4 years old. And where did you get that one from?
A friend of mine gets from me from Togo.
Oh, right here. So this is also my second time or third time seeing a crocodile. So I told you guys, Africa is not full of animals. We really domesticate them ourselves before we see them. They are very far from us. You don't understand? Because this crocodile was even found in Togo, right here in Ghana. Because, yeah, you have to go look for them. They will not come to you. Yes. As you can see there, we have the skeleton of an ostrich and a skeleton of a boa python. Right? You can see behind me, there's an ostrich also here. A live ostrich. Is it a male or female?
The male have a black color.
Oh.
The female have brown.
Brown, okay. So this is male. Right? So this is the male ostrich. So guys, this is really amazing. I showed you a video from Shy Hills, and that was my first time seeing an ostrich. So this is my second time seeing ostrich, and it's so amazing. Wow.
He also a type of bush cat. Very, very wild. He always wild. You try to tame him, you can't tame him.
Okay.
Anyway, you can't tame him. They grow, become wild. So civet cat.
So where did you get this one so from?
This also from Togo.
Okay. Wow. So this is a bush cat.
Yeah.
What's the name again?
Civet cat.
Civet. So it's really wild.
Yeah.
And you see, guys, you see, hey. When
These
it bites,
are the genetic cat.
okay.
Maluk, Dano Parokoji. Genetic cat. They can easily breed in house, and they can easily tame them also. You can domesticate them easy. It can be your friend living with you in the room. Yeah.
So this is another form of cat,
Yeah.
but easily domesticated. And yeah, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Oh, it has babies already.
Yeah, already. It's about 2 times a born.
Wow. Wow.
I get that one. How many of them? He's the enemy of snake.
Mongoose. So this is a mongoose. It really attacks snakes so bad. The snakes are really scared of them. So that's how it also looks, right?
Yeah, bull cat, the net cat,
All right.
and then we have. We come back. This animal is called poto. Poto.
Oh, poto.
They are social climber. You see them always in the tree, hiding their face in daytime.
Why is it hiding its face?
That's the way they are.
They are very shy.
That's the way God has created them. And it can bite too.
Wow. Wow. And you have a snake here.
Yeah, this is a baby boa.
Wow.
Yeah,
And it looks so big.
Yeah, it's so wild. That's why we keep it in closer. Actually, it's for somebody.
How come it became friendly? Because they bite and tear off your teeth. Oh, that's a big dog. Which breed is that?
Monet. They call Monet.
From where?
From India.
Wow. That one too was gifted.
It's a female.
Mr. Animal Lover, thank you so much for having me, and I really appreciate it. One thing I want to know is, how do you manage to feed these animals?
It's not easy. It's about the love that you have for them.
Wow.
You have to treat them, give them medicine, buy food. The last money you can use to feed them. Because they are in the bush, they don't tell you to bring them food, so you need to take good care of them. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. Whenever you find yourself in Ghana, please do well to visit this place. It's a
Ark of Noah.
yeah, so this is Ark of Noah. Yeah, any animal you want to find, it's in the Ark. So just come visit and know how it is like here in Ghana. So this is one of the biggest cock I've ever seen. I think it's an American breed. So this is an American breed, so heavy.
The face is soft. The face.
It's really heavy. It's a cock. Wow. So guys, whenever you find yourself, please don't forget to come here, Ark of Noah, on the Kaswa Road, around Broadcastle. So if you are coming here, don't worry, I'll put his number in the description box so we can direct you. And if it's your first time watching me, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get a notification anytime I post a video. Thank you so much. Yes, if you want to do anything to help or support this movement, please don't forget to link up. You know what I mean? So thank you so much. Catch you on the other side. Peace out.